Hello, this is Dr. Young, and I'm going to go over your week 3 assignments. You have a discussion, and you have a big project this week. So, for the week 3 discussion, you're going to choose one of these bullets. Select one of these topics. These are all about leadership models and approaches, and you're going to choose one and talk about it. It doesn't matter which one. No more than 500 words. Make sure to check your grammar, spelling, all of that. Hold on. I lost it. There it is. So don't, just choose one and support it with research. By now you're probably getting the hang of discussion, so I won't go over that too carefully. If you recall, there's a link here if you want some more detail as to how to do the discussion. The big thing for this week is this exam prep. So some of this you're drawing from other courses that you've taken already, but the final step is the comprehensive exam. You have to pass the exam before moving on to the dissertation phase. So what you need to do is kind of look back on your old notes for your other classes. Look at this course, and you should have documented your learning. And there's a reflection journal with your mentor that you've been doing over the course, over the different courses since you've been in the program. So for week 3, you need to segment the organizational behavior field into 3 broad categories. You may use more, but at least 3. That's the first thing you do. For each of the broad categories, you need a set of core topics. So subtopics from these 3 or more, whatever you decided to choose. You need 5 for each category. So that would be 15 if you were just doing these 3. So if you've had 3 categories, you need 5 topics for each, which would be 15. At least. Okay, so you need to do that. And you're going to integrate one annotated source and for your 15 core topics for each one. You can provide more than one resource per topic, but you have to have at least one for every topic. So that's 15. Synthesizes key learning from working on the guide. Next steps you will take working on your guide. And so over here you're going to have like a little summary talking about what learning your key learning outcomes from the guide. What are you going to do next when working on your guide? And what benefit would this guide give you beyond your exam? Here's a sample structure that you can use as a somewhat of a loose model here, if you'd like. And it goes on and on. So see, it's giving you all 5 topics per category. It's a 6 to 8 page Microsoft Word document. It uses APA style. This is sort of an outline style. That's fine, but just make sure that the reference is formatted in APA style too. So, it's okay if you use this here. Just make sure that when you this APA formatted reference should look like it would if it was in a reference list. So that's really all we have for this week. Now this exam prep is to be used for you and to keep on using it before your exam. You can obviously accumulate a lot of study material in this exam guide. So that's really all. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know, and I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. If you have any problems, let me know, but pretty straightforward. Again, just one final note. You can use more than 3 categories if you want, and you can use more than 5 topics per category if you want, but you don't have to. That's the minimum that you can use, is 3 categories with 5 topics each. Okay, that's all. I'll look forward to talking to you this week, and have a great week.